So I got the case cracked open, the waterproof case, so hopefully y'all can hear me and also the vehicle. I've only had the exhaust on for a day and a half. It's pretty loud, pretty drony, but it sounds great from different RPMs. So we're just gonna cruise around a little bit and see what kind of sound signature we can get out of her, you know what I mean? Got a little bridge over here, boys. You know what that means. Fucking good. It sounds just like an exotic. Between 4,000 and the red line of 6,500, it literally sounds like an exotic, like a fucking Ferrari or Porsche or something, or a Mercedes or BMW. Let's give it a couple quick little revs, huh? Fucking screamer like your mom. Let's put these windows up a little bit so the haters can't see how fucking baller we are in here. It's a little drony, but that is the price you pay for having something that sounds that good in the upper RPMs. Not to mention, I mean, it's just a muffler delete. It's not like a fucking actual exhaust system or whatever. Smells good in here. Just did the detailing video in here on how to, an instructional video on how to detail your vehicle. So smells really fresh in here, and I got the old cashmere pear. Ugh. Crackles and pops, bitch. Shifting here, hopefully get some pops. Oh my god, I don't know if the camera picks that up with the stock microphone, but my god, you get like little crackles and pops. Sounds nice. So wet right now. I feel like I might be missing out a little bit in the mid-range, but I might have picked up a little bit on the top end. Could just be my butt dyno, but that's how I feel. So windows up, I'm just gonna drive normally. We'll see about that drone, boys. God, I'm so confused. Like, not in life, but as to fucking where the fuck I'm going. Let's get these windows cracked again. I just can't not listen to the exhaust.